All right. Hours later, we got a little baby boy. She just barely had him, so we're gonna see. I know she has at least one more, but we'll see.
Okay, Mom's gonna record, so let's move out of the way and give her
All
space,
right,
okay,
baby
boys?
number 2. Oh, mind your business, you guys.
Hey, Twinkle D, get out of here.
Put my glove on. No, I want it on. Thank you. Will you stop jumping on me, you little turkey?
I'm down on here too.
Okay.
I
Oh,
can
she's
see.
such a good mama, huh?
Why is she a good mama?
Hey,
'Cause
Twinkle
she's-
Dum, get over here.
Because she's licking him.
Come here,
and
Twinkle
she's
D,
keeping
okay?
him dry.
There you go.
That's what she's supposed to do.
Do you think Mommy licked you guys dry?
No.
Ooh.
I see her. I see
Hey, oh, there's. Hey, watch out, Bill.
Oh, look. So
Here it comes.
there's-
There's the mouth. See the
Yep.
teeth? It looks all
I know.
buck tooth. What color do you think it's a boy or girl, guys?
Ooh, it's got a white face.
Ooh, white face. Maybe it'll look like her.
Where's the feet?
Oh, maybe it'll look like this girl.
He's trying to stand. How incredible is this? We've waited all day long. Literally. All day, yep, she's trying. You can only push so much.
Poor guy's gonna be born into a storm here next couple days. Look at the buck teeth on it.
That's her baby.
Yes,
Yep.
it is.
First they close their. First they're feeding. Is it killing baby?
Nope.
That's baby's
This is
baby.
baby's baby.
Hey.
Baby got 2 babies.
Yep.
Yeah, she might even have 3 or 4. Who knows?
We'll see.
Come on,
Not
Twinkle
yet.
D and Twinkle Dum, get out of here.
Come
Come on.
on.
Get out of here. Come here.
Let's go.
No, stand on her. Ah!
Hold on. Oh my goodness. What kind of circus you
What
running?
kind of show are you running?
I felt the bit of my feet.
Yeah, you two gotta go to the big kid pen. You guys are big enough.
This baby's actually bigger.
Yeah, he is bigger. A lot bigger.
Whoa, he's really big?
Okay, watch out, Leish.
Back up just a little bit.
That means
Still give her some space.
I taken it.
Oh, look, he's standing up
That's how she cleans
already. She's keeping him dry and getting him to, yep, to stand, and then he'll be able to eat here in a minute.
That's a cute little baby.
It's so cute.
Oh, no. I can touch a baby.
You
can
can
touch
touch
the
him.
baby.
Yep, baby loves attention. She's okay with you petting her baby.
Nope, get out of here, Java King. Get out of here. Get out of here, Ken.
Karen's fine. She's the emotional
She's a
support.
Sweet girl. Huh, she's a sweet girl.
Baby's gonna come out. Hey, look, the eyes are closed.
Mhm.
Why the eyes are closed? Why the eyes are closed?
Watch out, Link. Mama's trying to record, bud.
I can't see, you're in the way. Thank you.
Hi, Karen. Hi, Karen. I can see now. I'm gonna get right here.
Yeah.
Hi, Karen. Wanna watch Karen? Are
Are
you
you
helping
helping
her?
her? Right there.
Don't get
You're not
the
supposed to,
ankle.
but she normally does need help.
Hey.
Okay, come on, Twinkle D.
Come on, Karen.
Okay, look, bud, you're in the way of Mom. Come here, Karen. Out of
Everybody's
the
in a
way.
way. No, get off.
Get off her.
Go on. I don't want to break in that sack.
Come on.
Elijah, your job is to hold him, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, just don't let him get close. Nope, he's okay. Just don't let him get close.
Hey, no.
Yep, just stand there. It's okay. He'll play with you.
Oh, yeah, he's already eating.
Sorry, guys, I gotta- Get my gloves on.
He's eating that baby?
Yep, she's licking him clean.
I'm not eating it.
He's got the waddles like she does.
He can't eat yet. She's laying down. She's got to have this baby before she'll probably
Elijah,
let
you're
him eat.
supposed to watch these.
I'm doing it. Mom, how did that go? How did that baby go? Trauma. How did that baby go? Eve. Killing.
Yeah.
How's ain't that? Look at her tongue. Killing. Look at that tongue,
Do you
Mom.
feel any food?
Don't get me there.
Oh, there we go.
What is that? Did the blood come out?
A little. But mainly that's called placenta. So babies are held in a
An
protected
amniotic
sac.
fluid.
Why?
Because it keeps them safe in her belly and it helps feed them and all that. She's pure white, isn't she?
Yep.
Oh,
I think
she's
she's got some
gorgeous.
browns
Some brown on her.
undertones.
Oh, cute. Good job,
Is it
Mama.
a girl or boy?
It's a girl.
It is a girl.
Aw.
Cool. Well, that's the one we'll be keeping to
Good job. Well, you mind your
before we
business.
retire her, considering she's 9 or 10, huh? And still popping them out.
Yeah.
You don't have another one?
I don't know. She might.
Go on.
Here, let's clean the face off, girl. Come on.
Yeah.
Huh?
Give her a good rub. Get out.
Yeah, she's got some cool.
Oh, her
Yeah,
ears are a
marking.
little longer. Look, she has elf ears.
Huh?
She has elf ears. Her ears are just a little bit
Hey,
longer.
go, King.
All right. What do you guys think about that experience? Was that pretty cool to watch her have a baby?
Yes.
That's amazing. Huh?
Hey, bud, she's videoing. Please don't.
All right, I'm gonna turn it off and get a picture.
Here, bud.
All right,
You have
baby
a-
number 2
You have
arrived.
another baby?
I don't know
might.
if she has any more, but I knew she at least had 2 in her, huh? She's doing good. She's such a great mom. I love her. She's getting old. I'll let you know if we have more.